Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best lead-free solder is probably one of the most important components in electronics manufacturing today, offering a safer and more environmentally friendly alternative to traditional lead-based solder. This video will explore the key factors to consider when choosing lead-free solder, examining its benefits, potential drawbacks, and applications, helping you make an informed decision for your projects, whether you're a seasoned professional or a hobbyist. Number 5. SN99AG 0.3 Cu 0.7 lead-free solder wire. This solder is lead-free and RoHS compliant, ensuring a safer and more environmentally friendly soldering experience. It's easy to use and produces excellent results. With a low melting point of 419 degrees Fahrenheit, it's compatible with all soldering tools. Its thin diameter makes it perfect for intricate electronic work. It boasts high electrical conductivity and creates bright, strong solder joints. You'll get a long-lasting, reliable connection every time. The rosin core flux ensures smooth, easy soldering. No extra flux is needed, saving you time and effort. Ideal for soldering small electronic components, MCUs, and more. It's perfect for DIY projects, repairs, and professional use. This 0.8 mm diameter solder wire comes in a convenient 50G spool, providing ample material for all your projects. It's a great value for your money. What we like. It boasts a convenient 0.8 mm diameter and includes a rosin core for smooth, easy soldering. If you're tackling intricate electronics projects or need a solder that flows effortlessly, this is the perfect choice. Its ease of use makes it ideal for beginners and experts alike. What people say. The melting characteristics are very similar to standard tin lead solder. This solder flows great at 700 degrees Fahrenheit. No complaints. Rosin core is legit. It tinned the iron well and is quite responsive to heat. It's good solder. Easy to use, flows well, good melting point, and my connections look and feel strong. Number 4. Solder wire 0.6 mm. This solder wire is designed for precision soldering. Its thin diameter makes it perfect for intricate work. It features a rosin core with flux for smooth, easy soldering. This ensures a strong, reliable connection. It's made with a SN99AG 0.3 Cu 0.7 alloy. The silver content ensures excellent conductivity, ideal for high-end applications. At just 0.6 mm in diameter, it's perfect for soldering tiny components. You'll get precise results every time. It's RoHS compliant and suitable for a wide range of electronic soldering tasks. Use it on PCBs, wires, and more. With a melting point of 419 degrees Fahrenheit, it works with all standard soldering tools. Enjoy a bright, clean solder joint. What we like. This solder's incredibly fine 0.6 mm diameter is perfect for precision work. Its high conductivity is especially beneficial for high-end electronics. If you're working on delicate components or high-precision electronics, this is your go-to option for superior results. What people say. Makes soldering much easier. Melts well, pretty much everything you look for in a good solder. Produces nice, bright solder joints, what you want to see with a no-lead formulation. Number 3. Lead-free solder wire SN99.3 Cu 0.7. This high-quality solder wire is perfect for various applications. It's made with 99.3% tin and 0.7% copper, ensuring a strong and reliable bond. It's lead-free, meeting the highest quality standards for plumbing and drinking water safety. You can trust it for your projects. Use it for stained glass, jewelry making, home DIY projects, or copper pipe welding. It's incredibly versatile. With a melting point of 217 degrees Celsius, it's easy to work with. Remember, it does not contain flux, so you'll need to use it with a separate flux. The 2.0 mm diameter ensures precise application and strong joints. It's the perfect choice for both professionals and hobbyists. This solder is lead-free and meets the requirements of a uniform plumbing code. It's safe for use with drinking water. This 3.2-ounce spool provides ample material for your projects, whether big or small. Get yours today. What we like. This 2.0 mm diameter solder is specifically designed for plumbing applications. It's lead-free and meets stringent quality standards. If you need a reliable, lead-free solder for plumbing or stained glass projects, this is your best bet. What people say. Used for repairing, replacing some copper tubing, ball valves and faucets. Use this to sweat 1, 2 and 3, 4 copper pipe and fittings. I used a flux containing micro lead. Worked well with standard butane torch. Works best when heat is on the low side. This solder worked good for stained glass work. Number 2. AUSTOR 0.8 mm lead-free solder. This is the AUSTOR 0.8 mm lead-free solder wire, perfect for your electronics projects. It's designed for precision and reliability. It boasts a lead-free alloy composition of SnAgCu, 99%, 0.3%, 0.7%, ensuring environmental friendliness and high-quality soldering. With a precise diameter of 0.8 mm, 0.032 inches, it offers accuracy and control for intricate work. This makes it ideal for detailed soldering tasks. The rosin core flux ensures smooth solder flow and prevents oxidation, resulting in strong and reliable joints. It's easy to use and produces clean solder connections. It has a melting point range of 215 to 220 degrees Celsius, 419 to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, with a recommended temperature of 217 degrees Celsius, 422.6 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal results. This ensures efficient and consistent soldering. This 100G, 0.22 pounds, spool provides ample solder for your projects, ensuring you have enough for various tasks. It's a convenient size for both hobbyists and professionals. What we like. This large 100G spool provides excellent value and convenience. The 0.8 mm diameter and lead-free alloy make it versatile for various projects. If you need a substantial quantity of high-quality, lead-free solder, this is a great option for your needs. What people say. This solder makes a better bond than the 60/40 tin lead solder. It also stays a little shinier than the 60/40 stuff. This solder is lead-free. It means cleanly and goes on really well. With this, I put it on, I mess up, I go back in and it's super easy to remelt and fix. It has plenty of flux already, so I haven't had the need to use any extra flux at all. Not during soldering or desoldering. It just works. Replaced like for use in the motor industry. Very happy with product. Number 1. Eastman Sterling Solder 85325. It's perfect for sealing, joining, coating, and filling metals. Its performance is similar to 50/50 solder, providing reliable results. It works great on a variety of metals including brass, bronze, copper, and steel. It ensures strong and reliable solder joints on all solderable alloys. It's designed for plumbing, heating, and industrial applications. It's safe for use in potable water systems. Made from pure virgin metals, it meets all safety standards for drinking water. It's a durable and reliable choice for your projects. It has a high melting point of 410 degrees, withstanding significant pressure. This ensures its strength and stability in various applications. Choose it for superior performance and peace of mind. It's the ideal solution for all your soldering needs. What we like. This solder is specifically formulated for plumbing applications, ensuring reliable seals and joints. It's designed for safety and meets all standards for potable water use. If you're working on plumbing projects where safety and reliability are paramount, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It's nice and thick, which is good for that process, and flows well. Flows well, easy to use. Perfect flow, easy to use, 410F melting point. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.